So our organization has benefited in this event because of the focused groups that are here. So the people that we are meeting are people that are proper stakeholders for our products. They make the decisions, so it's fantastic. They've been excellent, so I'd highly rate it. And I think that's what sets this event very apart from other events. And the reason for that is because it's so targeted and focused. So the specific people that we had, especially one-on-one, the networking events were great. We love the speed dating type of work event. That was great. But definitely the one-on-ones that was organized was so well and targeted. So I think it's very good leads for us. Yeah, absolutely. So they were 100% relevant. I would say at least 70 to 80% of the attendees were relevant to our business. Yes, we would definitely be considering it. I think because it's so targeted and focused and well organized, we would definitely consider it. I'd say professional, impactful, and focused.